Hey guys, how are we doing? Good evening. So it's a Tuesday evening and it's a beautifully sunny day. So I finished work probably about an hour and a half ago, and actually, exciting news, I did a very short turbo session and I'm not coughing and I feel okay, and my peak flow's measuring all right. If you're asthmatic, you know. Yeah, so I just had to come outside. I'm on the Canal Towpath and I was going to brew a coffee, but as it's evening, that'd be decaf. I don't usually drink coffee in the evening and I'm hungry. It's dinner time, so we're going to catch up and I'm going to cook some dinner. I'm doing a vegetable risotto, which should be good. So I'm just going to find hopefully a nice quiet spot. It's quite noisy by this road here. Oh, there's a train coming by. Yes, so let's do this. Let's catch up. I was thinking just on the other side of this lock would be quite nice. That does mean that I have to walk across here, so let's hope that's not the end of my video when this thing goes in the water. That won't happen, don't worry. Here we go. Carefully does it. Oh my god, you actually are quite high up here. You're not used to these. Obviously, if you're a canal boat owner, you've got this down and you don't end up in the water. Oh my god, I can't believe what a nice evening it is. I think that might be the spot. I've said it before, I'll say it again. There's something being so nice about being by water, and I think the British waterways and canals are so good for accessing people to nature. Quiet, apart from the cars. Quiet. So I'm always very grateful of Trangia top tips, and actually I've learned so much from you guys and with the things that you've told me, so thank you so much. Someone told me to fasten it on the side, so whoever that was, thank you very much, just to avoid damaging the bottom of your pan, etc. So that was a good tip, thank you very much. Don't go away, son, stay out. We wait for that to come to the boil, cook the risotto rice, then we will cook the veg, stir that in, bit of creme fraiche, love creme fraiche and risotto. Although if you watched my, oh, another train going by, I never realised it was so close to the train line here. So yeah, I'm really pleased with my turbo ride I did earlier. So I think I was going to do half an hour, and it did just tick over probably like 35 minutes, but I felt okay. I'm not coughing after. My peak flow's more stable now, so I've been recording that morning and night. I use my inhaler morning and night, and then in between as needed, and I'm noticing I'm not really needing that as much now, especially not in the night, so that is a big plus. Really pleased about that, that I'm actually able to sleep, so that's all good. So I think like things are looking up, like I'm able to actually start thinking about the future again. Not that I couldn't think about the future, but it kind of like, a lot of my plans were like cycling related, and I've had that like 6-week pause where I couldn't really do much, so I've had to really sort of reassess, and I have done other things, and I'm wondering really if that was a break that I kind of needed. So obviously I wouldn't choose it, but it's been kind of good for me to kind of reassess what I'm doing when I'm not cycling, checking out who your really good friends are, because you find out that when everything goes wrong. So I am feeling good and positive, and like I can make plans again, and like I'm going to start slowly building my cycling, taking it really steady. I don't want to undo any good work that's been done in my recovery, so just taking that steady. So yeah, that's where we are. Oh, I think we're going a bit faster, bear with me guys. Trangia 27, what a piece of kit. It was recommended to me quite a few times, and then I finally bit the bullet. And yeah, it's definitely been a good investment. I mean, in just over the week that I've had it, I've used it so many times. Yeah, so it was really great when I was away, and then when it was such a lovely evening, I was like, it's too nice to stay in. I usually ride with a women's cycling group that me and my friend Laura built on a Tuesday, so they were going out. Obviously I'd already done my turbo session and taking it steady, riding indoors for now, just this week to see how it goes, where I can control the air temperature. But yeah, I was like, it's nice saying, let's do a coffee. Now I'm hungry, let's do dinner. So here we are, let's do dinner, let's go out for dinner. Also, quite another nice observation, it's quite nice to not be in a woolly hat. I spent a lot of my time in woolly hats, and I like wearing a hat, to be honest, so hats or caps, cycling helmets, you know. But yeah, caps are back, everybody. Okay, so that's simmering nicely, but I'm going to take it off now and just let it stand, because it's nearly cooked, but it will continue to cook while it's standing, and I can now cook my veg. Well, that's all coming along nicely. Smells good. No chorizo today though, that would have been nice in this. And doesn't a little bit of sunshine and blue sky just make everything feel better? When we've come out of winter, come out the other side. I'm making this look hard work because I would usually go from the other side, but I'm trying to film and cook. That can go out. There's quite a lot in this little pot. That looks so nice. Now, the taste test. Lots of parmesan on top, lots of creme fraiche stirred in. That's so good. do with a little bit of black pepper, which I don't have. That is so good. Tuesday evening, I'm out by the canal. I'm cooking some food in the wild. I rode my bike healthily for the first time in 6 weeks. I'm content with my job and my life, and yeah, little things. Life is good. Well, another cookout done, leave no trace, and I'll be back on my way. I'm heading back home now. Early night, in bed by 8 PM with my PJs on, as I always say, favourite time of the day, and I can't wait. But yeah, thank you for watching another cookout video and for joining me on my adventures. I'll be back very soon. And one small request, please can you drop me some recipe ideas? I want to hear your suggestions for what to cook next time I'm out on the trail somewhere. So yeah, give me some suggestions, I want to hear them. Right, what an evening. Home time. One little thing before I go. Canal locks. What a great piece of engineering. Absolutely fascinating. I just find it so fascinating and so amazing that we have these connections of waterways across the country. Right, now the only thing is I've got to cross back over the lock. Wish me luck. Just check my pockets are done up and I don't lose my car keys and my phone in there. That would not be fun. Right, okay, I'm actually going now, guys. Thank you. See you next time.
Quick note before I go. If you're enjoying these videos and you want to support the channel, I have a Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below, or you can scan this QR code on your phone. No pressure at all, and more than anything, thank you for being here. It really means the world.